Hello, Dr. Akshay from iGraft Clinic. And I am so glad you are considering GFC therapy for your hair restoration journey with us. I know it's a big decision and it's natural to feel a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, I'm here to make things easier for you. In this next few minutes, I'll answer some common questions you might have about GFC therapy. This way, you'll have all the info you need to make a confident decision about your hair restoration journey, saving you from hours of digging through online articles and honestly, all the confusing stuff out there. So, let's get into it. What is GFC therapy and how does it work? GFC or growth factor concentrate is an advanced version of PRP therapy that focuses on using the most concentrated growth factors from your own blood. We draw a small blood sample, process it to extract growth factors, and inject those into your own scalp. These growth factors stimulate the hair follicles to promote natural hair growth. Is GFC therapy different from PRP therapy? Yes, GFC is more refined and concentrated form of PRP therapy. While both treatments use your blood's healing properties, healing components, GFC provides a more potent and concentration of growth factors, leading to faster and potentially better results for some patients. Think of it as a next gen PRP. GFC breaks the PRP molecule and generate growth factors from it and then inject back. How safe is GFC therapy? Since GFC uses your own blood, it's completely safe and natural. There is a minimal risk of side effects or allergic reactions. Some patients may experience mild discomfort at the injection sites, but there is no downtime required. So you can return to your daily routine right after the session. What should I expect during the treatments? The GFC process is straightforward and very comfortable. We draw a small sample of blood which takes just a few minutes. The blood is processed to extract the growth factors and the entire session including injections usually takes around 45 minutes to an hour. Most people find it quite tolerable and we prioritize your comfort throughout the process. When can I expect to see results? Many patients start noticing improvements within 2 to 4 months. The exact timeline can vary based on individual hair loss conditions and the number of sessions taken. But with GFC's concentrated formula, many see quicker results compared to traditional PRP. Does GFC therapy cause hair shedding after treatment? It's common to hear about shedding after hair treatments, but there is no need to worry. Some patients may experience temporary shedding of weaker hairs, which is actually a sign that new, healthier hair is on the way. Shedding is a part of the natural cycle, and stopping the treatment too early might prevent you from seeing the full benefits. What hair concerns can GFC therapy address? GFC is a highly effective for treating hair thinning, pattern baldness, and even stress induced hair loss. It also helps improve scalp health, which in turn supports stronger, healthier hair growth. How does iGraft ensure visible results with GFC therapy? At iGraft Clinic, we combine advanced GFC technology with our expert team's extensive experience. Our doctors have deep understanding of hair restoration techniques, which allows us to tailor the treatment to your specific needs and deliver noticeable results efficiently. How many sessions of GFC do I need to see the results? For better results, we actually and usually recommend 3 to 4 sessions spaced to 6 to 4 weeks apart. After that, maintenance session can be done every 6 to 12 months to maintain your hair health and the volume. Is GFC therapy affordable? We understand the affordability is a concern for many, which is the way at iGraft. We offer competitive pricing and flexible options to make GFC therapy accessible to everyone. So, there you have it. I hope I have addressed all your questions and concern about PRP and this therapy. If there is anything specific I haven't covered, please feel free to reach out. You can easily book a consultation with us by clicking on the Book Now button below.